All right, so shout out to Chi-Chi. That's right. Everybody give it up for Chi-Chi. So thanks a lot, Chi-Chi. So you sent in a few names actually. So I'm gonna do a video for each name. But these are names, Igbo names that you're curious about. And the first name that you sent in was Chizalam. All right, so you guys are ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So Chizalam, Chi in this context means, you know, God, or well, it can mean God or like your destiny, right? Your personal relationship with God, or kind of like your guardian angel. And Za means to answer, right? Za means to answer. And Lom, when you say Zalom, it means answers me, right? So you put all that together and you get Chizalom, God answers me, or almost kind of like God answered what I asked of him. God answered my prayer. Chizalom. Chizalam's names give them the power to be amazing advocates for those in need. They're trustworthy and they're very outspoken. Tag and share this video with all the Chizalams that you know. Thanks. Indiba kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo ono wakwezo?
Yeah.
Alright, so what do you think? Would that be a good baby name for your next child? Chizalam. Let me know down in the comment section down below. So, speaking of that, if you're expecting a child, right, and there's something that you would like to speak into that child's life, you have a concept or an idea or something like that, let me know. Hit me up in my Instagram DM, it's linked in the description below. And you tell me basically what you want to manifest into your child's life, and I'll give you an Igbo name with the closest meaning to that, right? And so anytime someone calls your child's name, they'll be invoking the power behind that name and gradually manifesting what you want in that child's life, all the great things that you want in that child's life, right? If you would like an Igbo name of your own, maybe you can use it as a middle name or a nickname or anything like that, or maybe you might even want to change your first name if you want, right? Let me know, and basically, hit me up again in my Instagram DM and let me know some traits about you, and I'll give you the perfect matching Igbo name as well. And yeah, if you are Igbo, please hit me up and I'll feature your name on this series, the Igbo name of the day. Again, if you're not Igbo, if you'd want an Igbo name, this would be your first time getting one, I can feature the name that you want on the Igbo name of the day giveaway. All right, so if you liked watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching it, just tap it really lightly instead, all right? Share this video with a friend. Hit the bell button to get a notification whenever I drop the video that you want, right? You'll be the first one to see it. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and just share it and just continue to support this YouTube channel. All of your engagement, the likes and the comments go a really long way. It helps the YouTube algorithm, so I really appreciate it. So yeah, looking forward to sharing more information with you about Igbo culture. And I like the fact that a lot of people are interested in this YouTube series that highlights Igbo Nigerian names. Thanks a lot, take care, and I will see you in the next video.